David Lindholm, it's great you joining me on this brief video call. Beforehand, Cleanzone, which, by the way, is taking place fully digitally this year on November 18th and 19th. You are giving a keynote, and I read through the lines actually that explained what you are intending to do, intending to say, intending to treat as a topic. And I couldn't hold my horses and thought I'd give you a brief call and ask some questions now. So once a vaccine against COVID-19 is found, large parts of the world's population obviously have to be treated with it. How can a vaccine production be expanded that quickly, that rapidly?
Hello. Yes, this is a big challenge for our industry as it typically takes years to build new production capacity. Many of the conversations we have right now with our customers is around how to reduce the timeline for design and construction of new vaccine facilities. At KeyPlants, we have developed designed platforms, modular facility solutions, and these are available for biomanufacturing as well as aseptic filling facilities. And now with COVID-19, we have further developed these design platforms for the most common production technologies for COVID-19. And using these modular solutions can definitely reduce the timelines for deployment of new capacity. You will also get very flexible facilities that can be adapted to any process. They can be expanded, they can even be relocated.
Thanks, David. Do you see large production units to be likely, or rather local production facilities? And in that regard, what role does offsite production play?
In general, we see an increased demand for local production and smaller facilities, and this has been going on for some time now and even accelerated with COVID-19. And with regards to offsite construction, is definitely a way to reduce timelines. Then there's a lot of other benefits also, of course. One of them is increased predictability, for example, more predictable timelines, and also quality and cost.
Vaccines are an extremely sensitive product. Are there any special requirements production environments must entail, must satisfy, especially for the new mRNA-based vaccines?
Yes, vaccines as well as other biologics are indeed sensitive products and require controlled environments when it comes to production. Then there's other aspects, for example, temperature sensitivity. And one of the challenges being discussed for distribution of COVID-19 globally is to maintain cold chain. And I believe for mRNA vaccines, that's one of the challenges that you need to store and maintain cold temperature for those vaccines. And on the other hand, building facilities for mRNA based vaccines require less space, so you can have actually smaller facilities producing the same amount of vaccine, so the capex can be reduced for mRNA vaccines. Thank you.
Thanks, David. It was great talking to you, and see you at Cleanzone on November 18th and 19th. Thanks very much.